Okay, quick stop at Lucan Conservation Area. It's near Lucan, I guess. Some small little road, small parking lot. It looks like it's very muddy, and it's on a floodplain, so we're gonna have a bit of a muddy walk, but we're gonna check it out. So there are some signs talking about the Ausable River and the species at risk, and how this place is protected because there's aquatic species at risk. A lot of mussels and fish. So down there is a floodplain, and I see a picnic table down there, but I also see a lot of mud and water because it is kind of, I hate to say the middle of March is kind of spring, but it feels like kind of spring right now. So, oh, and there's dog poop. Please pick up your dog poop. This is how we stop. This is how dog owners lose their rights to be able to take their pets places. So please, pick up your dog poop. So it doesn't look like the trails are extreme. Uh-oh, Chloe's rolling in something gross and icky. What did she roll in? Definitely mucky. We could use some wellies. There's no camping at this conservation area. There's no fees to use this conservation area. There are no facilities at this conservation area. Oh, she's got a mud face?
Got a mud face.
Oh, she definitely rolled in something. There's no trail markers, and trails just seem to go off. You're going to want to try to keep up on the higher ridges and away from any trail that leads down to the river. So there are tons of conservation areas all over the place. If you go online, you can look up the different conservation authorities, and they will have lists of which parks they actually run. It's all about the watershed, and they should have maps. Some of them you can camp at, some of them you can't. Some of them are free, and others you have to pay to get in. So go online to your local conservation area or any conservation area that you're going to go to, and see if there are any ones to check out. So this is the Lucan Conservation Area. It's quite small. I think they say the trail is technically maybe 1.5, but there's side trails and stuff like that. So be prepared. The trails are not marked, at least not this trail. There was no map at the beginning of the trail, so following me here. So watch where you're going, remember where you went, be prepared to get muddy, and if the water levels are high or icy, please be very careful. You don't want to get pulled in, because this river over here seems to be moving quite quickly, and it would be extremely cold. ran into some snow. So she's using the snow to clean off Maya's. Oh, she's using the snow to clean off Chloe's face. And look at that face. Did you get mud on your face, little girl?
So much.
Oh my goodness. Is that chilly? Is that chilly?
Doesn't seem to mind it so much. It's not coming off the jacket. Oh, she's covered in it.
Well, she made that look easy. River. Okay, this is part of the Ausable River watershed. Oh, and she's officially gone past the trail marker. Trail marker. So this is the boundary. And we're not supposed to go past this. No. Keep you less muddy. So not exactly a park you stay all day at, but if you happen to be in the Lucan area and just want to go for a little 1K or something like that, quick picnic on at least a sunny day. Oh, here is an ash tree that's been cut down. You can see the really cool marks of the emerald boar beetle. Unfortunately, it devastates the ash tree and kills it. Squishy area. So that's a quick walk through Lucan Conservation Area. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave us some comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. We have new videos every Thursday, outdoor videos, camping videos, travel, cooking, campfire, just lots of different nature-related videos. If that's something that you're interested in, subscribe and check back every Thursday for a new video. I'm Tricia from Nature Lover Canada. Thanks for coming out. See you outside.